Hello, boys and girls of all ages. I'm out here fishing somewhere in Davidson County, Tennessee. I'm fishing for trout at this local pond. Let's see what Uncle Realistic can do. Today I'm fishing with live red worms, and I'm fishing with this Zebco 202 Reel Around the World version 2. This rod and reel combo has an interesting history. Let's get fishing first. So here we are with the Reel Around the World. The very first one made it to Australia, Ireland, a bunch of states here in the US. Then it got lost by the f***ing post office. So I'm bringing it back. I was chosen to kick this off here. Reel Around the World version 2. Hopefully this one doesn't get lost in the mail. The point is to see how many fish it can catch in different places. Go traveling and get some experience. It's not the most expensive combo, but it'll get the job done. And that's sort of the point. Gonna catch some fish and then send it on to the next guy so he can catch some fish and send it on to the next guy. You get the idea. There's a lot of guys out here fishing for trout today. There's about 10 trucks over there on that side. I guess that's where they all hang out. What do I know? I'll try over here for a few minutes and then I'll make my way over there. Fishing with this kind of combo reminds me of when I was little. I'm gonna walk down the bank a little bit over to that sunnier corner. Let's see if I can find anything over there. It's a windy day today. I also got some power bait to try just in case I can't get a bite on worms. Look at these guys all lined up along the road here. Now I got the wind to my back. We'll try like this for a while. If I don't get anything with the bobber, I'll take the bobber off. Add a few more split shots and just let it sit on the bottom. Take this bobber off. Add some more weight. I really wasn't expecting to see 10 cars full of people fishing over here on a Wednesday morning. If 10 people are here on a weekday, I can't even imagine how many people are here on a weekend. This has got to be fished out by now. All right, we've moved down about 30 miles away from where we were. Now I'm in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Let's see if I have better luck over here. So I've never been over here before. I guess they stocked a bunch of trout in here. Let's get a little closer to the dam. Well, we got a fair share of trash here, some beer bottles, a children's scooter, a bunch of bottles, propane tank, a shoe, some beer cans. I'm gonna start out by putting the bobber back on. There's a lot of bobbers and lures in the tree over here. Makes me think it's a popular spot. I'm not sure how deep it is over here. I might have to adjust the depth of this bobber a few times before I get it just right. Like I said before, if I don't get any bites on the worm, maybe I'll try some power bait. I'm not sure if there'll be any other species of fish in here besides trout, or even if there are any trout, I don't know. I just have to be careful not to cast it into the tree like I just did. Damn it. I'm all like, be careful. Be careful not to get it in the tree. Then I proceed to get it in the tree. Oh well. Look at that, I just added my lure to the list. Well, let's get another rig on. All right, let's put them split shots back on. We're gonna try without the bobber for a while. I hate seeing my bobber there. Reminds me of how much of a novice I am. Here we go, trying some power bait now. Whoa, that almost sucked. Look at that muck. See that? Good for the blooper reel. I almost fell into the water. That would have been horrible. When you feel your foot giving out underneath you, that's a scary feeling. All right, let's see if I can get closer to the dam. I'm not getting any bites over here. Now I'm a little nervous about what kind of ground is underneath me, because that felt normal and it was not normal. It was muck. What is this? Hey, look at this, power eggs, right? I'm gonna keep those. I've never been here before. It looks like a great place to fish. It's just so loud, I can't even hear myself think. While it's a great looking spot, there ain't for fish. At least I can't catch any. I'll try under the bridge once or twice. That's right where I wanted it. Fish, fish, reel around the world fish right here. Finally got one, rainbow trout, I see him under there. Hell yeah, reel around the world trout right here. Got him. Here it is. Here it is, boys and girls. Rainbow trout. Reel around the world. See if I can get another one under here. Let's let this one go. Turn over. Sweet. Finally got one. Took about an hour and a half. This is my second spot I tried today, but I finally got one. Let's see if I can get another one under here. So here's what I finally got him on. A power egg that I found on the ground and a little piece of worm on there. Let's try again. Fish. Oh, jumping. Still got him? Do I still got him? Oh yeah. My second fish. Nice, good fight. Yeah, that's a nice one. Look at this one. This is a big one. They're so slimy. Man, they're so slimy and strong. Let's get a look at this one, my second one. Next cast right after that cast. Wow, this one's really slimy. He's trying to get away. That's a really nice fish right here. Second trout on the reel around the world. Zebco 202. It's a little cheapy. I'm catching rainbow trout on a $15 combo. Let's let him go. There he goes. Whew, my hands are cold. That's cold. Out there by the pilings, that's where I seem to be getting them. Well, there we have it. The reel around the world. I caught 2 trout today on the $15 Zebco 202. I tried 2 different spots to catch some trout, and I finally got 2 here. I got them on power eggs that I found on the ground. You just never know what's going to happen. Now I'm going to send the reel around the world to another YouTube channel so they can use it, and then send it to another YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.